are about to back up your iPhone or iPad through iTunes, but you find that iTunes backup now grayed out. If you want to know more about the causes and solutions to this problem, this video is tailor-made for you. Part 1. Why is backup grayed out in iTunes? Outdated iTunes, old iOS version, wrong port or cable, weak internet connection. Common causes for grayed out backup. Part 2. How to fix iTunes backup now grayed out. Fix 1. Update iTunes to the latest version. Open iTunes, go to Help, select Check for updates, and if available, click Download iTunes to update. Fix 2. Restart iTunes and computer. Exit and close iTunes. Press and hold the Wake Sleep plus Volume Up buttons on your iPhone to turn it off. After a few minutes, press Wake Sleep to turn the device back on. Open iTunes on your computer again. How to restart your Windows computer. Click the Windows icon in the lower left corner of the desktop. Click the Power button. Select the Restart option. Fix 3. Update iOS version. Turn on your iPhone and select Settings, General, Software Update on the home screen. If a new iOS version is available, click Download and Install. If asked, enter your device password, then click Install. Fix 4. Check USB port and cable connections. Fix 5. Check internet connection. Part 3. The best alternative to backup iPhone without iTunes. You can turn to third-party iPhone backup tools for help. Here, I recommend Mobikin Assistant for iOS. With the help of this software, you can easily transfer data from iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch to computer without iTunes. How to selectively back up your iPhone data using Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Download and install Mobikin Assistant for iOS on your computer. Run it and then connect your iPhone to your computer. Once your device is discovered, you'll see your device on the main panel and all the file. Step 2. Choose a category, and Assistant for iOS scans and lists the corresponding content. Step 3. Preview and select files, then click Export to initiate backup. Once done, view backup contents at the output location.